Okay, this is the lower level. The mailbox. If you're here, speak to us. Lower level. The elevator to the lower level. Where the morgue was.
Alright, I'll shut up.
So we gotta go down one more to get to the morgue?
I don't think that we can go down anymore because the only other deal in the buttons is elevator.
Oh, so we're in the morgue.
We're in the lower level.
Ooh, we're in the morgue.
Mom's childcare.
I should have been over there. I'm looking for ghosts, so.
Check on number 714.
714 is what I heard.
You're in the wrong place down there.
Okay, we're on our way to 714. For now. We're having fun, Lord.